What is up, guys? FreezeRay123 here, and welcome back to the second episode of Mideviel. So, the idea for this video, I will be doing my floor inside of my house and the roof. So the roof is going to be made out of dark oak wood. So I do mine like this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Okay, like that. Like that. And then you guys will add it all the way through. Like that. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. To do here then too. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Now same with this side. This roof should not take very long. This one looks like. Okay, now one, two. Boom, boom. Two. Up, up, and then like that. So now again. Boom. I'm almost on the roof already. Boom. Maybe if I go from this side, I will make it do what I want, right? There you go. Two. Now you guys cross it. Boom, boom. I'm all done. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe one of these days I can get my world and stuff like that. So it'd be a lot of fun also. I'll let you guys pick a series in which you think I should do after I start doing more of these tutorials. So I hope you guys like this roof. So these ones are funky, so I'm gonna mix those up. Yeah, there you go. Now the floors. What should I do with the floors? What are these old things? Okay, so I guess we'll just clear that. We'll just clear everything real quick. 1, 2, 3, 1. Clear all this. Make it a lot better. I guess you could just kind of like a cottage, but made out of wood. So it's kind of medieval, I guess. And also check out my friend's YouTube channel, Dborigames. I'll leave a link in the description below, so I'll leave his name and stuff in there to his YouTube account. He'll be in there. Nice. Next here, maybe double, I guess. So now let's light this place up. So what I do is I usually put torches above every windowsill, like this. Gives it some more style. Not good. It's kind of weird. Next I hear in a minute. Well, so I see what it's kind of doing. Okay, now let's put some this like that, and maybe back right there. But, so, yep, guys, this next episode I'm gonna finish all that off here on stuff. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, this is the layout of my house. Like, I finished all the outside, so next video it will be me doing the interior stuff. So hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Yes, as I said, I will leave a link to my friend's channel. He's new to it, so leave him some subscribes and likes and stuff. So peace, guys. Thank you. Have a good one.